thing is sick.
Thank you. Built it myself from a kit from bombbuilds.com.
Wow, I love to make something like this, but I'm not a mechanic and I don't have a welder.
Well, that's the beauty of it. You don't need a welder. All you need is some basic hand tools. I'm telling you, if you can build IKEA furniture, you can build this trike.
So what do? You get plans for this, or how does that work?
Yeah, you go to bombbuilds.com online for $20. It gives you everything you're going to need to build it. Then, with the option, you can also buy the kit on there, which is what I did.
Wow.
I bought the kit, and me and my son put it together as a father-son project. We love it.
That's not a bad idea to have a father and son project nowadays.
Oh, yeah, it's big. All right, well, look, man, I got to get going. I'm meeting my buddy. We're going to go do some drifting.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Nice meeting you.
Likewise.
Nice what's that?
Thank you.
What's going on?
Hey, man.
What's this, 2 seats?
That's right. It's the new bombbuilds.com 2-seat bolt-together drift trike that you put together yourself without welding.
Man, this thing looks great.
Yeah, I know. My wife always wants to go along, but there's no place for her to sit. Now with the 2-seat drift trike, I can take my wife, I can take my kids, loads of family fun.
Man, I'm telling you, this is going to be real popular.
I know.
Now you can build the single and 2-seat bolt-together drift.
Marler, is that you?
Hey, Al. I haven't seen you since the Dicycle video.
I didn't know this video called for a narrator.
Nothing but the best for you, Al. Now you can build a single and 2-seat bolt-together drift trikes from bombbuilds.com. No welding required. Assembly plans are only $20 and are available through bombbuilds.com. Plans are delivered quickly via email in easy-to-read PDF format and include color photos, exploded view drawings, and helpful hints. Also included are links to a dozen free online instructional videos with step-by-step instructions walking you through each step of the assembly process. The plans include information on where to buy all necessary components and information on build kits that include all the fabricated parts. Spend time together, learn new skills, make it a family project, father and son or father-daughter project, scout project, or high school shop project. And now, with the 2-seat trike, you can take along your wife, girlfriend, or kids for hours of family fun. Be sure to see all of Al's unique inventions by visiting bombbuilds.com.
Thanks, Marler.
You're welcome.